Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Winnie. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. If you're not new, thank you so much for always coming back. Now you guys know that Nairobi CBD is currently being renovated or beautified with different flooring materials. So I'm standing I'm in Moi Avenue right now, and there's demolitions going on this street, from this street up to the end, and also on the side of University Way. So I wanted us to, take a look at what's happening in the CBD. Let me show you the demolitions and the new Cabro that's being installed. You can call it Cabro or pavement blocks. So if you're new here, please remember to like this video, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from and what you like about this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also remember to like the video, leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm in Moi Avenue. This is Jivanji Garden, or Jivanji Garden. And so on this side you guys can see there is like the old blocks are being removed. So this is what we have. So I want us to go straight on this street, and I'm going to show you what is going on here. So you guys can see they are removing the old pavement blocks, and they want to install, new Cabro. So we'll take a walk on this street and see what's happening, and see also like there's some parts where they've already started doing new Cabro. So let's take a walk and see the difference between where they've removed the blocks. So this is, you can see this is bare land. Now I'm opposite Best Western Plus Hotel. There's Clarion Hotel here, and yeah, so we're on this street. So let's just take a walk. Of course, you guys remember to always engage the video, like the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe if you haven't. Subscribing is free guys, so there's no reason for you not to want to subscribe. So of course you'll see like people sleeping on the streets. It's quite normal in Nairobi and in any African city, I presume. So we're just going to take a walk. And you guys let me know, have you been to the CBD lately? If you're in Kenya, that is, or in Nairobi, have you been to the Nairobi CBD? What do you think about the new Cabro that's being installed? Do you think that they're doing a good job, or do you think like it's like shoddy work? So you guys can see, I don't know if they're going to put these ones or the other ones that look like the shape of a hexagon, but let's just keep walking. You can see, so this is completely demolished. They've completely removed the old pavement blocks, and now they are going to put in new ones. So just stay on this channel and I'll keep updating you guys on what's happening. So here you can see, of course, a result of the demolitions and all. So, and then here there's of course a lot of sand here, where like this is like construction material. So this is the work that's being done so far. Oh my god, so many police. I was like, I hope they don't ask me. Yeah. So it's a Sunday and it's a bit quiet, and kind of filming is kind of loud. They haven't removed on this street, so I'll just keep checking and see if they are going to remove the pavement blocks on this street. But you can see now on the opposite side they are removing on that side and installing new pavement blocks, or probably they are going to do this street as a separate one, because this is a different building. But on this side they have absolutely demolished, and they've already started adding in new pavement blocks. Yeah, so let's just go ahead. now I've crossed the road, and here I'm at I think this next should be like Bihi Towers, and you guys can see like the streets is literally bare land, so you can see the land is bare here. So we're going to take a walk all the way straight and see what's happening. So yes, I was right, this is Bihi Towers over here. This should be Moi Avenue that I'm on, and yeah, this is what we're looking at. So completely bare land. I'm seeing some like construction materials. I don't know if these are like blocks for the flooring or for the landscaping and the base. So yes, so let's just take a ramp walk all the way up to the end and see what's happening. So one thing you'll notice about this street is like there's a lot of business happening here. So you're going to find restaurants, you're going to find clothing lines, like, you know, boutiques, salons and all that, and there's like business buildings here. So it doesn't have to be like a single room. Sometimes it's like a whole skyscraper holding like 200 businesses in one building. So definitely this renovation or this new streets or the new Cabro are going to be a big plus for the business, because of course you do want your business to be somewhere where it's you know, aesthetically pleasing when customers are coming in and all that, because you know, customers are like wanting to also like, you know, take pictures and all that. So I think it's quite good, and also it gives Kenya and Nairobi a good picture. Like right now there's like a Chinese guy approaching me, so I think it would be nice when foreigners come to Kenya and the streets are clean, the streets are like beautiful and modernized. So yeah, so you guys can see this is completely bare. This is completely bare. So let me show you this side. So this is like some of the things that we're going to be doing. This is like beautification. So you can see they're going to be doing beautifications on this, right? Just keep going. So I don't know if they're going to like try and do finishing and do like, you know, greenery and flowers on this, because I think the other streets don't look really good, and it's because they haven't done that finishing. But I do think they'll do the finishing, because I had asked somebody and they talked about the team that's doing the Cabro is not the same team that's doing the beautification. So once the guys who are doing the Cabro finish, and then the beautification guys come. So I don't know if it's like a different time the beautification guys are going to come, but let's just wait and see. And then now we have this, you guys can see, you know, they are going to beautify all this, right? So you can see the street is basically just there, and so we're kind of approaching where they've done the new Cabro. So you can see here we have like this is the Cabro I was talking about, like this shape. I'm not sure if they're gonna do all of it up to the end, because I'm seeing some other straight materials. So I don't know if like they also use them. If you know the process, you can just comment down below. So this is what we have. So you can see here they're already like laying the base for where they're going to be putting in the Cabro, as compared to this side where it's just like bare land and not much is happening at the moment, right? So you kind of get the picture. So let's just keep taking a walk. So here you can see now, you can see, okay, I get it. So the long ones are these ones, you know, that are gonna like block the Cabro once they put them in, because like when you put the Cabro and you haven't like put in this stuff, they're gonna like fall out, right? So yeah, so I get what the long materials, I get it now what they're for. So this is it. So now let's take a walk. So you can see this is what we have. This is a very busy street. Opposite me there's Sasa Mall, There's Syrian Bank. So this is like a business street, and there's also the Sour Mall. The Sour Mall, and there's also Sasa Mall, right? Yeah, so more construction materials here. And then of course, you know, this the small, I don't know what this material is called, also like cement. And then now here the Cabro has been done here, but of course the finishing hasn't been done. So you guys can see the difference between this, and you can see the difference with that as well, and also the street where we're coming from, right? So you can see more construction materials. Now I'm just opposite Sawa Mall. So this is a very busy place. I'm not sure if there's a Menti house here, but it's like when you go on the other side, a Menti house is there, right? Yeah, so now more construction materials here. You can see more construction materials, and then also you'll find like a lot of cars are parked here for like what's it called, like taxi work. So you can see here the new Cabro has been done, but the finishing hasn't been done. So hopefully next time we come back they'll have finished this, and we can also see the rest of the street if it's done. But you know what, these pillars of this building look so old compared to the new Cabro. So hopefully also, you know, the owners of these buildings, I hope they're gonna also like paint the buildings again and, you know, repair whatever is like looking old. I hope the government is going to give that initiative. Yeah, so this is a new Cabro, but finishing is not yet done. So more construction material here, more construction materials here. You're going to find like a lot of perfume shops on this street. There's a lot of like perfume shops. There's perfumes, boutiques, jewelry. See, more construction materials. You know, people are gonna walk a lot on this side of town because I don't think there's like stages here for people to alight. So this is more like a street where people need to walk. So it's nice that they're doing this you know, renovation. So you can see we have a boutique here. There's a kids boutique next, and so this is what we have, guys. So what do you think about, you know, the new look along Moi Avenue? What do you think about this new look? Of course, more construction materials, lots of parking space. I don't know if once they do, like, as I'm seeing they have started trying to do the finishing, I don't know if once they do here, like they'll do something on this side, because you know, like the road doesn't get to this side, the road ends there. Technically the road is supposed to end here, but they've, you know, cut out some space for parking. So I don't know if there's any kind of renovation or like flowers being planted here, but of course I'll keep following up on this project. Do subscribe to this channel and keep following up, because I'm gonna keep on updating you guys. I'm gonna give you updates. I'm gonna keep doing weekly updates on this project, so you can see what exactly is happening here. So we've practically reached the end of this street. You guys can see the Cabro looks beautiful. This is just being done, and I like what they are doing right now. They are going as they finish, so you can see the finishing is being done. This is a beautiful street. This is a business area, strictly business. You can see opposite me, you can see Samsung, Rolex, Deja Vu, Hotel Topaz. You can see there's also like some town universities here. There's boutiques, there's restaurants. It's also, when foreigners are coming to Kenya, definitely this is a street that most foreigners will probably pass by, and it's good that the renovation is being done. So yeah, I'm happy with what I see. So let's see if there's any. You can see here there's more construction materials and a bit of Cabro that has already been done. So this is what we have. It looks neat if you ask me, and yeah. So by the way, comment down below if you'd like me to do a full tour of the Nairobi CBD on all the parts where the new Cabro has been done. I'd be more than happy to do that. You can see, guys, there's a lot of construction materials over there, so that just tells you like they are doing a lot of renovations currently, and you're going to keep on seeing more of that. So let me know what you think, guys. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of this street. I'm trying to take a look at the University of Nairobi, that area. I'm seeing there's like also like new cabros being installed. The streets are being demolished. They're removing the old blocks. So let me know what you think about this specific street, which is like Moi Avenue. If you're Nairobian, I'm sure you already know based on all the directives I've given you of where I am at. You can see it's a beautiful Sunday, and that was it. I wanted to give you guys an update of what is happening, and of course you guys know I'm so invested in this beautification of Nairobi, so go ahead and support my channel. When you guys see an ad, please go ahead and try and engage with the ads, engage with my videos, watch the videos up to the end, like the videos, comment, let me know where you're watching from and what you like about the videos, and I'll obviously see you on the next video, so stay tuned.